Welcome to Suburban DIY. Most people follow standard protocol when a faucet leaks or a mower won't start. If you don't understand the problem, you hire someone who does. This logic applies to the garage, the kitchen, and eventually the bank account. We treat our own finances as a black box, ignoring the mechanics of where the money goes and hoping for a favorable outcome. Outsourcing every minor complication creates a subtle, persistent habit. Over time, you begin to view yourself as a passenger in your own life, entirely dependent on specialists to keep your world running. This dependency is exactly what the financial industry relies on. They present wealth management as a field reserved for those with elite intelligence or secret shortcuts, suggesting that solving these problems is beyond the reach of the average person. Breaking this cycle starts with a physical act. It begins by deciding that you are capable of understanding the systems you interact with every day. There is a specific internal shift that occurs when a problem you once found intimidating is solved by your own hands. Fixing a pipe saves the cost of a service call. It also provides physical evidence that a task you deemed expert only is something you can master with the right tool and a bit of study. You stop viewing a broken appliance as a crisis and start viewing it as a series of steps. This transition from a passive observer to an active problem solver changes how you evaluate every obstacle you encounter. As these small successes accumulate, the need for a specialist feels less like a default and more like a choice. You realize that with enough patience, the expert knowledge required for most of life's challenges is well within your grasp. Once you've learned to maintain a home, it's natural to look at your finances through the same lens. If you can follow a manual to replace a water heater, you can follow the logic of a diversified portfolio. The structural logic to build a house aligns with building wealth. Systems take priority over emotions, operating independently of daily noise. Overcomplication stalls under pressure, but success comes from a simple, repeatable process. Constant activity erodes gains. Sticking to the plan yields multi-decade results. Mastering money is rarely a math problem. It's a process of mastering your own behavior and recognizing that wealth is a byproduct of consistent, high-quality decisions. Most people chase the end results first, hunting for high-performing stocks or the latest cash flow trend, without a foundation to hold them. This hierarchy starts with mindset and language. Your perspective dictates your behavior creates your systems, and your systems produce your assets. When these top tiers are solid, cash flow becomes the inevitable result, eventually providing the freedom to walk away. Focusing on these internal variables provides a level of control that market predictions never can. You are no longer guessing what will happen. You are prepared for whatever does. The world is full of influencers selling the illusion of certainty and immediate riches. That is simply not the goal here. We focus on optionality. This is the ability to weather a job loss without panic, to choose your own projects, and to reclaim your time from the demands of others. Every skill you learn in the workshop and every dollar you invest serves as a buffer against life's chaos. These efforts provide the resilience needed to focus on what actually matters to your family. View financial freedom as a skill that can be practiced and refined. Filter out the noise, trust your systems, and stick to the plan. We start by taking control of our homes. We move on to taking control of our finances, and through that process, we find that we are far more capable than we were ever told. Subscribe to Suburban DIY for more strategies